going on, YouTube? This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Accurate Engines here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and you're watching the Clay Way. If this video is helpful, please consider subscribing, clicking them notifications, sharing them videos, and giving me them sweet old thumbs up. If you've got a question for me, you can hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair on the Facebook Messenger. I absolutely try to answer them as best as I can for all of my subscribers for absolutely $0. If you want to help and contribute to the show, we give away automobiles to needy families after we're done making sweet videos so you guys can fix your cars at home. Remember, if anyone else can do it, I promise you, no matter what it is, you can do it too. As you can see down here on this Chevy Equinox, we've got a busted tail light. This is going to be the same on the GMCTerrain, so pay attention if you own a Chevy Equinox or GMCTerrain. We're going to whip this puppy out real quick, put another one in there. So it looks like right here we got a couple of these little poppies that we got to take out, and then that'll expose the securing mechanism underneath there. There's little channels underneath here. You can get up underneath there and just pop them on open. Looks like we need a Phillips or a 10mm. Okay, so removing this is pretty easy. It's got a couple tabs up here in the front on this side that help hold it in there. But all we have to do, and you could grab on the outside of the body right here, is with both hands, you'll try to lift this forward, maybe take a screwdriver, be really careful not to chip your paint on there, and we'll start to pull this out. What the? I guess it's broken already anyway. Okay, on the back side of here, we're gonna have a little tab that we need to push in. If this won't release when you push it in and you try to pull it up, push it down towards the unit and then sharply pull it back as you push on the tab, and it should release. Just as a side note, I wonder if we couldn't take some red tape, transparent tape, and put it over these circles right here and make these taillights look a little bit cooler, even though there's nothing cool about a Chevy Equinox. Okay, if you want to change these taillights, you're going to turn this to about the 9 o'clock position, and you'll just quite simply pull the bulb out of its holder. This bulb appears to be a 3157, and if you look inside there, you can see that it has 2 filaments. None of them appear to be broken, so this one should be good. Now, if you change your bulb and it still doesn't work, you want to make sure that these little clips are pushed in, and you can take a little screwdriver or a pick tool like I use to take off the covers and push in on the clips so they make a good contact on the little pins that go down inside there and actually make the light function. It does not have a directional, but it is important to pay attention to the way you pull it out so you reinsert it the same way. Now the next bulb is removed the same way. You turn it to about the 10 o'clock position from the 12 o'clock position and you pull it up. These bulbs are a little bit smaller, and generally without even removing them, you can look at the filaments and see if they're busted or broken. Using the same principle, checking down inside the bulb itself to make sure it has connection, and even if none of that works, then you take your test light and you make sure that you have ground, and you make sure that you have power. You can differentiate the test light by having someone actuate the brake pedal or the turn signal, turning it on, and making sure you either have a blinking bulb or a solid light bulb, and you can switch the test light from the positive side to check for positive and the negative side to check for negative. These 2 pins here are the pins that I was referring to, and they go up inside these holes right here for reinstallation. Before you go to reinsert your tail light, make sure that you have your little bung that goes inside here, and this is going to go just like this. Mine fell out when I removed my tail light. Make sure you plug your connector back in before you replace your headlight or tail light, and push it into the holes up inside the corners, giving you a nice firm push so it seats inside the pockets properly. Check the outer edge, make sure the fitment is correct, unlike this one. Once it's fit inside there properly like this one, you're good to put back in your screws, put your little covers back on, and you're good to go. When you go to install your caps, notice that the little tab that sticks out far is on the bottom, and it just clips in just like that. So hopefully that was helpful. The next time you folks need an engine for your automobile, hopefully you'll look me up here on Clay's AC and Auto Repair, and I'll be able to help you out with that. Remember, if anyone else can do it, I promise you, you can do it too. God bless and have the best of days.